9 Disadvantages of Linoleum Flooring. Dear friends, when exploring options for new flooring, many shoppers find themselves weighing vinyl against linoleum, sometimes even mistaking one for the other. However, it's crucial to understand that, aside from their occasionally similar appearance, vinyl and linoleum have little in common. Vinyl is petroleum-based, while linoleum boasts a more eco-friendly composition, known for its sustainability, health benefits, and antimicrobial properties, thanks to a unique blend of linseed oil, cork dust, and wood flour. This natural makeup, while appealing, brings with it certain drawbacks that might not make linoleum the best choice for every space. 9 Disadvantages of Linoleum Flooring. 1. Poor waterproof qualities. Linoleum flooring, despite its many benefits, falls short in terms of water resistance. When exposed to moisture over time, linoleum can warp or swell, leading to unsightly bulges and potential structural damage. This makes it less suitable for areas prone to dampness, such as bathrooms and kitchens. The core materials of linoleum absorb water more readily than synthetic alternatives, necessitating careful sealing and diligent maintenance to prevent water damage. 2. Little scratch protection. One of the notable drawbacks of linoleum flooring is its susceptibility to scratches and scuffs. Everyday activities, such as moving furniture or dropping items, can easily mar its surface. This vulnerability can be particularly problematic in high-traffic areas, where the constant wear and tear can quickly lead to a floor that looks aged and worn, detracting from the overall aesthetic of the space. 3. Quicker to fade, darken or yellow. Linoleum flooring is prone to discoloration over time, particularly when exposed to sunlight. This can result in fading, darkening, or even a yellowish tint, compromising the floor's original hue and vibrancy. Such changes can be uneven, leading to patchy, inconsistent appearances that can detract significantly from the aesthetic appeal of a room. 4. Not DIY friendly to install. Installing linoleum flooring can be a complex and exacting process, often beyond the skill set of the average DIY enthusiast. It typically requires precise cutting and fitting, along with a thorough understanding of the underlay and adhesive techniques needed to secure the flooring effectively. 5. Higher risks of slips. Linoleum floors, particularly when wet, can be slippery, posing a risk of slips and falls. This can be a significant concern in spaces like kitchens and bathrooms, where spills are more likely. While textured linoleum options exist to mitigate this risk, they may not always provide sufficient grip, especially in high moisture environments. 6. Unsealed options need regular maintenance. Unsealed linoleum flooring requires regular maintenance to retain its appearance and durability. This includes periodic sealing to protect against moisture and wear. Without this upkeep, unsealed linoleum can quickly deteriorate, leading to a floor that looks unkempt and requires more frequent replacement or repair. 7. Minor damage often leads to complete replacement. Linoleum's composition means that even minor damage can be difficult to repair inconspicuously. Scratches, tears, or stains may necessitate the replacement of entire sections of flooring, as patch repairs often result in noticeable mismatches. This can make maintaining a pristine linoleum floor both challenging and costly over time. 8. A reputation of being cheap. Linoleum flooring often carries the stigma of being a cheap option, both in terms of cost and perceived quality. This reputation can deter those looking to invest in their homes from choosing linoleum, despite its eco-friendly and practical attributes. 9. Seen as outdated and less stylish. Linoleum flooring is sometimes viewed as outdated, particularly when compared to modern flooring solutions like luxury vinyl tiles or engineered wood. This perception can make it a less attractive option for homeowners seeking a contemporary look. While recent advancements have introduced more stylish and varied linoleum designs, overcoming entrenched opinions about its aesthetic appeal remains a challenge. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.